What's up guys, Brett Canada here, aka Juice Feaster, and I'm on a mission to cleanse, regenerate, and transform 1 million people with the magical powers of juicing. Back at you today with another summertime, end of summertime recipe to really showcase the amazing cornucopia abundance of end of summer fall fruits. So it's called the Dreamsicle, and I feel like this is the real version of what those crazy maniacal food scientists and food chemists have tried to replicate in the Dreamsicle popsicle from your youth that you might remember. And so with this real version, we're going to give you all the same flavors, but on top of that, we're going to give you some amazing nutrition. Let's get into it. The centerpiece ingredient of this recipe is the cantaloupe. And I like to let my melons and cantaloupes get super ripe, sometimes a little bit too ripe. So when this happens, you might have some bad spots or some soft spots, and that's okay. You can cut out those bad spots and the melon is still completely fine to use. I really like to let them get extra ripe because there's so much more sweetness and so much better flavor. Anyhow, here's the recipe: 1 whole cantaloupe, 2 fresh peaches, 1 apple, and a 2-inch thumb of ginger. If you like your juices a little bit less spicy, you can use less ginger. If you like them more spicy, you can use more. This recipe is absolutely packed full of nutrition: vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, polyphenols, all the things you're looking for energy, disease prevention in your juices. Absolutely love this juice. We are using the Try Best Shine juicer today, one of my go-to juicers for quick 1 to 3 liters of juice. It's quiet, compact, easy to clean, and also a great travel juicer. You can click the link in the description box below and find out more about this juicer. Okay, so there you have it guys, the Dreamsicle. As you can see, made quite a lot of juice out of just a small amount of ingredients. And here again, it's a great recipe to experience the plethora of late summer, early fall fruits that we have at our disposal right now, and chalk in a lot of great nutrition, ease up on your digestion. It's a great juice if you're just having 1 or 2 juices a day to throw into your daily juicing habit, or if you're on a juice cleanse, a juice feast, solid food vacation. This is a great recipe to throw into that mix as well. If you're interested in doing a juice feast or juice cleanse, click the link in the description box below or visit juiceclass.com to watch my free masterclass to see how I successfully went 105 days on juice only, and I lost 30 pounds in just 30 days without restricting calories. Check it out. Okay, until next time, encourage you to make lots of juice, drink it all, and stay juicy. Cheers, my friends. Oh, pow, amazing.